How to fix Ticketmaster app login not working. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, if your application is not working, press and hold onto it to head to app info. Firstly, force stop your application and head to storage and cache to clear it up. This is to fix any of the bug issue. Tap Open your device setting if you do not have this feature. Scroll down until you see Apps and search for Ticketmaster. Tap on the application. Force stop it, head to storage and cache and clear it up. Next, you can head back from here. Check out your system update. Ensure that your phone is up to date and is compatible with the features of the application as well. Now, moving on to the next step, scroll down to the notification center to check for your Wi-Fi connection. Switch to your cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. Then open up your Play Store or App Store to search for Ticketmaster. Check for available updates. If not, uninstall the app and reinstall it later. That's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.